A multimeter is a tool used to measure electrical values such as continuity, voltage, resistance and current, or amperage. You can tell at first glance that this multimeter has a lot of features and can look a little intimidating. Let's go over what those features are. The function selector switch. To power on the meter, rotate the function selector switch from the off setting to any measurement setting. Current jack. Only to be used for measuring current amps with either a red test lead or a dedicated clamp attachment. If you use a dedicated clamp meter, you will most likely not have this jack on your unit. Common jack. Used for all tests and is only to be used with the black test lead. Red jack. Used for all tests besides current, including voltage, resistance, frequency, diode, duty cycle, temperature, impedance, and capacitance. Range button. The range button on a multimeter allows the user to force a specific range, such as 1 or 2 decimal points. Relative button. The relative button zeroes out the reading on your meter, almost like zeroing out a scale at home. The minimum-maximum button. The min-max feature records the minimum and maximum voltage that the meter is reading. The hold button. This button will hold whatever the meter reads after you have pressed it. This is a great feature if you need to remember the exact reading of what you're measuring, or if you cannot see the multimeter whilst you're testing with the test lead or probes. It also turns on the backlight so you can see the LCD screen in the dark. The select button activates the secondary functions for each setting accessible by the function selector switch. For current and voltage, it toggles between AC and DC. For the other functions, it switches between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius, between hertz and percent duty cycle, and between continuity, resistance, and diode test.